Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will debut at the Unpacked event on July 26 in South Korea. These will be the brand's upcoming foldable offerings and succeed the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 5 lineup. There have been various rumors about the phones in recent times. Now, just a few days ahead of the announcement, images of the back cover of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 have surfaced online. Additionally, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 renders have leaked too. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 promotional images. Tipster Ashan Agarwal on Threads shared official-looking marketing images of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. These images show the complete design of the foldable, which looks quite identical to the predecessor. A large inner folding screen and a slim outer screen with a punch hole cutout. The Type-C port and speaker grills are at the bottom, while the volume rocker and power button are on the right edge. The foldable can be seen in blue and gold color options. Besides design, one thing that caught our attention is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's case, which is unlike any other phone case. There is a slot to hold an S Pen. There have been rumors that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 would get an S Pen support since last year, but this rumor was shot down mainly because it was believed that Samsung wanted to make the Fold 5 thinner and having an S Pen slot would prevent that. Now with the latest images, it appears that Samsung may have found a working solution. While this may not sound like an exciting addition on paper, it is enough upgrade over the Fold 4 to get people into buying. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 cover screen. Separately, tipster Roland Quant shared promotional images of the Galaxy Z Flip 5 on Twitter, via. These show us Samsung's ambitions for the large cover display for the Flip foldable. These images show a number of applications, but they all seem to appear more like widgets or cards rather than full-fledged apps. One of these shows a full keyboard while replying to a notification. Others show a flight boarding pass. There are cards for weather and recent calls. All these suggest that users will be able to access most of the information without opening the phone. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5's outer display has a taller squarish layout compared to the rectangular layout of the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. There are also reports that Samsung is planning to run optimized versions of Google Apps on the outer screen of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Besides the outer screen, the hinge design on both the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Fold 5 is gapless, and this also makes both phones a lot thinner as the side.